Islah Public School was established in 2008 with the aim of providing quality education for those who cannot otherwise afford. Funded and supported by Mishkat Welfare Trust, Islah is a non-profit charity school. But what distinguishes Islah from other schools is a focus on Islamic values and morals. The school provides free books to all students and free uniform for certain deserving cases. Another area where Islah School stresses on is on learning important life skills, whether it be art class, where students are encouraged to utilize various recycled materials to create unique yet purposeful pieces by using their creativity. Sewing, stitching, and embroidery work is also taught to young girls to support them later in life. Islah School offers Taekwondo and games class in order to promote a healthy and active lifestyle. Islah teachers are provided a comfortable working environment along with an opportunity for self-improvement and growth through Quran and Tarbiyah classes. These classes are conducted twice a week in order to keep teachers connected to the vision of the school as well as their purpose in life. Islah teachers are dedicated to keep subjects interesting and interactive for their students, where questions are encouraged. Students are given the concept of healthy diet and manners of eating in the light of Islam. On a periodic basis, free lunch is offered where learnings are put into practice. Families of Islah students are supported through various social welfare activities such as Ramadan ration, sufficient for the entire month, welfare bazaar, Qurbani meat distribution, etc. For all these blessings, students are reminded to be thankful to Allah, and the best way of doing so is through congregational salah held within the school premises. With Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's help, Islah wants to bring about a change in the lives of those connected with the school and their families. Despite the current limitation of the campus, maximum utilization is being achieved. Islah is currently benefiting almost 300 students, but with your donation, inshaAllah, we hope to acquire a bigger building with proper facilities to accommodate the growing number of students, as well as to create a segregated area for boys and girls. Join and help Mishkat Welfare Trust in achieving this goal. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy and reward all those who contribute for this cause. Jazakallahu khairan kathira.